Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on updating your operator app layout. If you wish to update the operator app layout to the quick pay version, which allows orders to be placed and paid for on the same screen, simply press the Extras button and then scroll down to the App Actions section. Once you've pressed Settings, select the Business Type drop-down and then select the Quick Pay option. Once Quick Pay is selected, press the back button to return to the home screen. This will then allow an order to be placed and paid for on the same screen. As items are added to the order, the red buttons marking cash with change will update as these items are added, and then the exact card and cash buttons at the bottom of the screen will also update. Thanks for watching.